Welcome to Cornwall Garage Door Centre. Based in Truro and covering the whole of Cornwall, we have over 30 years' experience in the supply, installation and repair of garage doors for domestic customers. We specialise in fully automated sectional and roller garage doors, which allow for exceptionally smooth and effortless operation. Automated garage doors are also highly secure. Some are integrated with an anti-burglar device, and we have a range of controls to choose from. Our doors are available in a range of materials, styles, colours and finishes to suit both traditional and modern properties. We pride ourselves on ensuring excellent value for money without compromising on quality, and whatever your garage door requirements, we are confident that we can help. For more information, you can visit us at our showroom, which is the largest in Cornwall, or call us on 01872 275 997.